Hi everyone, this is Johnny from Australia, here to talk about the urgent efforts being taken by Australia's biggest industrial companies to reduce greenhouse gases and meet the goal of limiting global heating to 1.5°C. Recently, 17 companies that make up the Australian Industry Energy Transition Initiative, or EDI, signed a statement asking for government, investors, and business to join their effort to reach net zero emissions at a pace that meets this 1.5°C goal. These companies include BHP, BlueScope, Rio Tinto, and Woodside, along with Westpac, Australian Super, Orica, Wesfarmers, Fortescue Metals, and the Australian Industry Group. So what exactly are they asking for? To reach net zero emissions in time to meet the 1.5°C goal, they list several necessary objectives. This includes the important goal of constructing a large-scale, cost-competitive, renewable energy system of the future and developing integrated net zero emissions industrial regions. To make these goals into reality, the companies said they need a significant stretch in ambition to get there. Although the EDI members didn't specify what limiting global heating to 1.5°C should mean for the country's emissions reduction targets, scientists have said it would require an emissions cut of at least 57% and up to 75% by 2030 when compared to 2005 levels. Furthermore, it would mean reaching net zero much earlier than the current plan of 2050. To help achieve their net zero goal, the government has recently passed changes to their signature climate policy, the safeguarding mechanism. This means that many government-regulated industrial sites have to reduce emissions intensity by 4.9% a year and buy carbon offsets, or pay a penalty. Several manufacturing companies praise the government for the adjustment, saying it will give them the needed certainty to make investments in decarbonization, which is crucial for creating jobs. However, companies involved in the EDI do not all have the same plan. Woodside, for example, wants to open gas and oil fields that, if allowed to happen, would push the world beyond the 1.5°C limit. This shows how even with the joint statement in place, different companies have differing goals and plans to actually reach the 1.5°C limit. While the Australian industry companies are enthusiastic and ready to embrace the goal of net zero emissions, they understand it will be difficult and require other businesses to join in. They have an understanding that the potential costs of inaction far exceed any perceived costs of action. All of these companies agree that in order to have any chance of reaching the 1.5°C goal, everyone needs to work together to create a renewable energy system of the future and integrated net zero emissions industrial regions. The time is now and these companies are prepared to do their part, but they can't do it alone. We need everyone to band together and take a significant stretch in ambition to reach the 1.5°C goal and save the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.